Bryce the Gamer, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make free thumbnails, or just draw whatever you want to draw, or just make something. I'm just gonna show you a good free website to do it. You don't even need to put in your email or anything. It's kind of like Roblox, but you don't need a username. It just show you on your computer. Okay, so what you want to type in is sketch.io, or you can search Sketchpad, and then what you do is you just click on the Sketchpad 5.1, and it's the exact same website. So I'm gonna move my face cam away, not float on top. There we go. So yeah, you can see this is how I make my thumbnails here. Why did Roblox redo the game page? And those I have other ones. If you want to see them, I will show you them. Other ones I have made here. And you can see, here's SpongeBob roleplay things. Here's the happier video. It's a very popular video. I forgot, was this the best Roblox games? Let's see. What was this one? For some reason it's not popping up. What you can do is you can change it to any size. I usually do this size. So YouTube can actually take the thumbnails. So let me show you guys some features. So if you guys want to actually draw, you can actually do the actual drawing thing here. So it's the color. I forgot how to say that, but you can actually draw with this. What?
You don't have to play outside. There's thunder and lightning.
Okay, that's okay. Are you sure? Let me see. Oh yeah, you're right, there is. Okay, thanks. Sorry about that. It's pretty hard to do this, actually. If I had a little bigger space, then this would be a little easier. Hi guys. There. Like that. So you can use that. Or, let's make a new one real quick. Or you can use these cool things, under a ring maybe. And you can switch it, you guys can switch it to any of these colors. You can go like this. Woo! Now I should actually use this for one of my thumbnails. Comment down below what feature I should use for one of my thumbnails. Boom. So yeah, as you can see, you can go like that and stuff. Boom. Okay, so this is one of the best features that I like. So you can choose different fonts, and then you can change it to different colors too. You can change the line width, so you can go this big if you for some reason want that. And then you can also change it to normal, difference. So difference one, then you can actually it kind of it's a little transparent. There. See, so you can see how actually is transparent to whatever is back there, but it still goes with whatever color. You can also underline stuff. So if I select this, then I can turn it to underline, or I can italic it, or bold it, or cross it out, like that. No more Bryce the Gamer, just kidding. So here is the image feature. So you can get any image from here. Is it? Yay, it's working. So we can search like boy. Boom, you have like these images and stuff. And apple. Boom, you have an apple. And then you can like put it in here, resize it with this. Brace the Apple Gamer. You know what? You can talk about any apple. You can talk about this apple, or you can talk about the fruit. Bryce Apple Gamer. Boom. Sorry if you hear talking in the background. And then also, you can change the whole entire background. You can use vector fill or pixel fill. And with pixel fill, like a vector fill fills up the whole screen, but it doesn't like fill up like these and stuff. And with this, you can like turn it to like a yellow apple. There we go. Yellow apple. What? What do you need help with, Callie? Hold up.
I need money on Bloxburg.
No, you don't. She just said, help, I need money on Bloxburg. And I said, no, you don't. Like, I'm not going to give her money on Bloxburg. Because I have like 70,000. And I'm not going to give you any. So you can like fill it in like this. As you can see. Boom. And if you figure out you changed something to the wrong size, you can do it like this. Boom. Now it's at 9,100. Looks great. Now we can just add a big apple. There we go. It's like almost all red. There we go. More apples. We need to get the apple in here. Get your apples. So like that. And then also, you can get any files. Hey guys, I'm back. You can get any files. We can do this. There. And it lets you drop any files in. Almost any files. There. Now we have why did Roblox so you do the games page again. Okay. Well, you can kind of see me over here. Oh, in the undo button. Let's undo everything we've done. So yeah, you have the undo button and you have the history button so you can see like what have you done. So you can like delete these if you like don't want to do like all the undo button. And you also have layers. Boom. Now we just have this. Boom. Now we can add like more clip art. There's lots of clip art. Like there can even be a voice. They have nothing for voice. Okay. There's a camel. Look at that camel. Oh, and if you don't like the color of this image, like, and you don't like the blue, what you need to go is pixel fill, and then you can change it to be like, I don't know, like a real color of one, like that. Boom. Looks great, doesn't it? Now it looks like a shirt. You can actually make a shirt out of that. I would say. Just like a camel shirt. Okay. Well, that's it for this video. Totally check out this website because it is great. And you can do so many awesome things with this. And please like and subscribe. And God. Bye.